With the 58th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Pittsburgh Steelers, six-time Super Bowl champions, select a defensive back from Maryland by the name of Sean Davis.
Interesting that he said defensive back because Sean Davis played corner this year. But you go back to last year, you watch him play safety. Where is he going to play at the next level? Well, they already drafted Artie Burns as a corner, so I wouldn't be surprised if they're going to have Sean Davis lined up at safety. Height, weight, speed, he checks all those boxes. The instincts, I struggle with a little bit. He does miss some tackles. Tested extremely well and rose up late in the process. Once the coaches got involved in the workouts, Sean Davis really started to rise up the board. There was even some talk he could sneak into the bottom of the first round. Guys, I think he's very raw. But I think the upside is tremendous.